stop. Fight What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're actually headed to Adam LZ's toy drive / open house. But I forgot one kind of crucial part of the whole toy drive open house thing is the toy. So actually we're on the way now, and there's a Tractor Supply on the way. So I'm gonna pop in there real quick and see what they have, because I don't want to be that guy that shows up to a toy drive and forgets a toy. Also, ignore my shirt and my ugly sweater over there. That was from a Christmas party that I completely forgot to take out of the back of the truck. So I probably need to do that. So yeah, we're going ahead and pulling into, actually, well, Publix, but next to it is Tractor Supply. So we'll catch you guys inside. Alright guys, well I kind of struck out at Tractor Supply. I was hoping to find something pretty decent to bring, but most of it was just kind of cheap plastic stuff. And it was kind of outdoorsy related, which I expected. But all of it was kind of cheap, so I think I'm going to try some other places along the way and see what we can come up with. We're pulling up to option number 2, Academy. I want to find something that, you know, is not Walmart. So I guess we'll take a look inside real quick and see what Academy has. If this guy would get out of my way, that'd be awesome. So yeah, we'll meet you guys inside. What do you guys think about bikes? Kind of thinking maybe one of those. So I wanted to spend like 40 bucks anyways, but I don't want something cheap and plastic. So I think I'll get the bike. Guys, this is absolutely insane. So the turn was actually way back here. Not that you guys can see that. I'm gonna stop in at this gas station real quick, but there are people everywhere. Like, it's insane. Let's see if I can show you guys. That is the turn right there, down to Adam's shop. Absolutely crazy. Holy cow. So we made it on the road before Seminole County Sheriff's Office. I don't know if you guys can see in the mirror. Shut the road down. So we're one of the last cars to get in. We're gonna go ahead and park. There's people everywhere. It's absolutely insane. So yeah. Alright, so just dropped the bike off. We'll walk around real quick and see who all's here. This car looks freaking sick with this paint job.
Alright guys, we're just about to pull the Crown Vic out of the trailer here. Party out here.
Hey, there's a car behind you.
Thank you,
kind of okay with not hard to play.
Oh yeah.
Real hard. Yeah, but we need to get
Not really, I guess. That thing is interesting. I don't know what that is. That is true. That's kind of cool. It's different.
It's definitely different.
so that wraps up Adam's open house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the chaos that was there. There's a lot of people, and there's just almost too many people to get any good close-ups. I tried the best I could. I'm actually headed home now. I think we actually might go out to Sanford later on. I might be picking up a topper for the truck. We'll see yet. So I guess I'll keep you guys posted. If not, thanks for subscribing. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think of how Adam's meet went. And I'm trying not to vlog because there's a state trooper that's right there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you next time. Bye.